In PostgreSQL, we can limit how many users can connect to a database at the same time. And we're going to prove that limit by connecting from Python and intentionally hitting it. Right now, I'm checking the active connections in the database. This screen shows us who is connected, what they're running, and their current state. You'll notice something important here. Some rows have no username. Those are PostgreSQL's internal system processes, so we can safely ignore them. When we filter those out, we see two active connections, and these connections belong to superusers. That detail matters because PostgreSQL superusers are not affected by connection limits. So even if we set a limit, they can still connect. Now let's check the current connection limit of the database. At the moment, the limit is set to -1. And in PostgreSQL, -1 means unlimited. So right now, an unlimited number of users can connect to this database at the same time. We're going to change that soon, but before we do, let's prepare our test. We have a table called employees, and it contains 10 records. Our goal is simple: connect from Python and run a select query on this table. To make this realistic, I'm creating a new user called Schofield. This user is not a super user. I'm giving this user only select permission on the employees table. Nothing more, nothing less. Now comes the fun part. Let's try connecting to PostgreSQL from Python using this user. We create a connection to the PostgreSQL database using the Schofield user. We also set an application name so we can clearly see this connection in the activity list. Then we create a cursor. The cursor sends a select query to the database. We fetch all rows from the employees table, and finally, we print them one by one. That's it. Let's run it and see what happens. The query runs successfully. We're connected. We can see all 10 employee records printed on the screen. So far, everything works perfectly. But now comes the real question. What if the connection limit is not unlimited? Instead of unlimited, let's say the database allows only 2 connections at the same time. We change the database setting using an alter command. From this point on, the database can accept only 2 concurrent connections. Important extra info here. PostgreSQL superusers are not included in this limit. Right now, we already have 2 active connections, so logically, Python should not be able to connect anymore. Let's test it. I run the exact same Python code again. And boom, we get a too many connections error. That's exactly what we wanted to show. Because of the connection limit, Python cannot establish a new connection to the database. Now let's fix it. We increase the limit from 2 to 3. This means the database can now handle 3 simultaneous connections. We can check this limit using the same query as before. At the moment, we still have 2 active connections, so we should be able to connect from Python again. Let's try. I run the Python code one more time. And yes, connection successful. The query runs. The employees data is printed again. Perfect. If you want to learn more Python like this, check out the courses section. There are many free Python courses waiting for you. And if you want to support the channel, don't forget to join and subscribe. Keep learning.